My name's Gareth Jones, Managing Director here of In-Comm Training and Business Services. We deliver three key things to industry. It's apprenticeships, upskilling and consultancy. So this week we are celebrating National Apprenticeship Week 2022, where there's a large emphasis on learner and their engagement, but also we want to focus on the employers, and you can use the apprenticeship pathway to upskill your existing workforce, reskill for the benefits of sustainability and growth. National Apprenticeship Week from an employer's point of view. Apprenticeships are not only about new recruits and the 5 to 10 year growth strategy and sustainability strategy. You can also move around your current employees and allow them to achieve their growth, their personal development within your own organisations, whether that be an electrical engineer turning into a tool maker, whether that be a tool maker turning into a shop floor team leader, or a team leader turning into a senior business leader. We have the programs for you right here at In-Comm Training. There's loads of elements and sectors within inside a successful engineering manufacturing company, and you need focus on safety compliance, continuous improvement, quality, engineering, manufacturing, leadership and management. And there has never been a better time to engage in all those pathways on apprenticeships. These are available for you, either funded through the levy or through the government, depending on the size of your organisation. Now is the time to engage. Every year In-Comm takes the temperature of industry in relation to the use of apprenticeships and how they're being used by industry, and this year is no different. Our barometer is live, the questionnaire is live, and we really encourage industry to take part, and then we will document it via a formal report at the end of February to celebrate our findings for the good of industry and the way we manoeuvre and position our products and services to benefit all. We're sat here during National Apprenticeship Week 2022, and there's no time to wait to ensure the success through your talent pool of the future. Learners are choosing what they want to do after they've completed their A-levels and GCSE examinations moving into autumn, and also employers are getting their job vacancies and apprenticeship job vacancies live now. Now is the time to take action, because the competition for talent is fierce.